Good morning. I want to show you this new listing today here in the Lake Nona area, but closer to 528 and 417, so that way you can kind of avoid all the traffic in Arcusi. It's a beautiful home. It's a 4-bedroom, 2-bath with a pool. Only $499,000. So let me show you a little bit. Okay. Brick pavers in the front. The roof was just replaced last year, so you don't have to worry about that. Let's see. It's in a cul-de-sac. Alrighty, here's the entrance. Again, 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms. Here you have a bar for entertaining with a new ice maker. Small refrigerator for your wines. Over here you have your master with wood flooring. Here's it's kind of the master bathroom and also kind of a Jack and Jill concept. Look how beautiful. They redid it, it's updated. Here you go. Okay, so over here you have your vanities. Okay, your other bedroom, another good size, so it could be another master if you wanted to. Instead of the front, you can use this one as your master. Okay, so here's how it looks. Again, the front, the bar. And then over here, you have the second bathroom. Here's another room, so this will be your third room. You all have fans. Second bathroom, again, kind of updated. Okay, family room, kitchen. Stainless steel appliances. The dishwasher is brand new. Nice backsplash. There you go. Location, location, location. Super close to the Orlando International Airport, Lake Nona, Boxi Park, all the good stuff here. And this is a 4-bedroom. And a lot of people, when they move to Florida, of course, they want to have this pool, right? Beautiful pool. It's partially fenced. It's a gated community, so it's 1,825 square feet of the property, and then you have the pool. It's a gated community. The AC was replaced in 2019, then roof last year, 2022. It's a move-in ready condition property. So give me a call at 321-304-7160. 321-304-7160. Annia with Remax Vantage here in Central Florida.